Circus Animal Cookies, take 1. All right, guys. I used to love these cookies as a kid. I haven't had them for a long time, so this is what we're going to use. We're going to just put those on top. And you know they have the little sprinkles on them. So that's what we have here. Like everybody's doing the dot cakes. I think that might be a little too many sprinkles, even though I like those sprinkles. It's my favorite. All right, first off, I've got 3/4 cup of softened butter in here. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of white sugar and a 1/3 cup of just powdered sugar. This takes 3 different kinds, and then just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Look at that. Now we're going to give that a little mixy mix. I got my mixer all charged up this time. We don't have a yellow light. I've had people ask where I've got it at, so I got this on Amazon if you guys are looking for a battery powered one or whatever. It's rechargeable. It's great.
Yeah, we'd love it.
I didn't even know they had them. Billy said, you ought to look for one. There it is. This one's a KitchenAid. Alright.
You ever get one of those, you won't want to go back to a corded one.
Yeah, I was doing a video and doing a corded one, and I remember making peanut butter cookies, and I was right at the end, and it unplugged. I was like, whew, thank goodness, I was done with it. So then, I got online and ordered one. Alright, so we got that. Now we're going to add in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Right like that. And then we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Or thereabouts. Whatever your heart desires, and we like vanilla. And you're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. This stuff's strong, guys. Woo! So we don't want to spill it. I don't even think I got any in it. There we go. That was a 1/4 teaspoon, so that was a 1/2. And now I have 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. In here, I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're going to add that to our flour mixture.
Maybe.
And then we'll give that a little mix. Guys, these are supposed to be like the big famous cookie brand that you pay a lot of money for. But I'm not going to make mine that big, so these are going to be the way I make them. So let's give this a little mixy mix here first. Get all that in there. I'm going to put something under this bowl so I don't have to lift it up. Because again, I forgot. So now we're going to put in our flour mixture, our dry ingredients. Do a little at a time. And you don't want to overmix them. You just want to mix it until that flour is incorporated. I got my oven preheated, 350 degrees. Whoops. There's that. And guys, I'm ready for our Tuesday Vittles series. I hope you are too. I had some people say, yeah, we want it. So we're going to do real food. It might not be a whole meal, just an entree, the main, but we're going to get her done. And it will be just like we make it, not like everybody else, because you know how that goes. Everybody does things different.
You do it to suit you.
Yep. Not everybody likes onions. You take that away. All right, back to this one. I get sidetracked. So we're putting in 2 tablespoons of just those sprinkles. The dot sprinkles. We're just going to stir those in there. And you can add more if you want. You don't have to limit it to 2 tablespoons. Which, you know, I think we will. Because I can. Just add a little more.
Add whatever you want.
All right. I'm not even going to chill the dough. We're going to see how it goes. All right. And how far are we in? How many minutes?
6:25.
All right. And not very long at all, guys. Take me longer than that to go to the store and pick some up.
And wouldn't be as good.
So we're just going to use our big scoop here. I can't wait till these are done, because this is not all. We still got stuff to do to them. I'm not letting you in on any secret yet.
Yeah, I have no clue what she's doing. So.
He has no clue. All right, so we're just going to smash these down just a little bit. And we're going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes.
Even I'll be as surprised as y'all are.
He never knows what I'm doing anyway. All right.
Sometimes.
10 minutes, 350 degrees. We'll be back. All right, guys. We've got them done. So let me show you what I did. I've got my cold cookie. I have some almond bark here. You could also use just regular white chocolate chips. Whatever you want to use. We're going to put some on top there. Spread it around a little bit. We're going to sprinkle some of our sprinkles. And a little animal cracker cookie. How cute. This is the perfect kind of cookie that I like. It's just a shortbread cookie with the sprinkles, because, you know, I'm a sprinkle gal. It needs to be cute for a kid's party or something. Or just for me to eat.
There you go.
So there you go, guys. That's what they look like. You do them however you want. And if you don't want the icing on your circus sandwich, just get regular animal crackers. But why wouldn't you want it?
Right.
They're not overly sweet because you don't put a whole lot of sugar in them. But then you've got the extra on top. Like I said, I just used almond bark. You can use chocolate chips. If you use chocolate chips, add a little bit of oil in it. Some kind of coconut oil or vegetable oil or something like that in it. Just a little bit to thin it out a little bit. But here we go. I'm going to do the rest of them and get me one. I better taste it, hadn't I? Almost got by without tasting it.
You might want to taste it.
Yeah, shucks. That almond bark set up. There's what they look like. I can eat a couple of these. A couple now, a couple later, a couple tomorrow. All right, guys. Give these a try. I love this one. So like, comment, share, subscribe, hype please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gators.